Hello, today we're going to be talking about how to manage asset tree. As you can see here, we have three sites. We have Hartford plant, Springfield plant, and Worcester plant, right? So for example, let's go into the Springfield plant. When you click on it, we can see the whole facility view with each of their assets, with if they're available, if they are done, as you can see by their color, and they're interactive as well. Once you go into one asset, you can see the asset ID. For example, this one is asset pump 004. So let's expand on that. So when you expand it, we can see the asset tree. So this was site. We can see department for this specific site, each department here, as you can see here, right? We have the blending, for example, we have the facilities, we have the hot field line, IT assets. For example, let's go up into this one, hot field line, and we can extend that as well to see the whole tree, whole asset tree, right? So inside this department, we can see each of our asset with their asset ID, as you can see here. This is for equipment center, for example. This is single pillar conveyors. We have the end to bottle rinser and so on. For example, let's extend this one as well. We can inside these rinsers, we can see the specific asset. We have the rinser gripper right side, rinser gripper left side, for example, right? And this goes. This is the whole concept basically. It goes same concept with every asset that, as you can see here. For example, extend this bottle vision system, you can see the vision system, the field reject conveyor, or bottle rejector. These all examples. We can do the same thing for Hartford plant. When you click on it, you can see the what you call utilities, department, and the asset. And same goes with the other facility, the forecast plant. You can see each department for this specific site. You can extend that to see the whole asset tree of it. You can see here. Thank you.